Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy A05s. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox. And click search. And now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can set Firefox as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can try out the Firefox search widget, or you can click not now, and here you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox is all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.